using an elevator would be this complicated. Hi everyone, it's Tori. If this is your first time here, welcome aboard. And if you've been here before, thank you for coming back. So on Carnival's newer ships, the elevators are kind of complicated, or at least most people think so. Thankfully, I have a video for you that will show you step by step just what you have to do. But before I do, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button because you will not want to miss our videos.
Okay, so the elevators are easy to work on. You just press the screen that's right by the doors, and you choose the floor you're going to, and it tells you what elevator you need to go to. Car D. So then you just stand where car D is, and your car will eventually come. It takes forever, but it does come eventually, and that's the only one that's going to go to 5. You don't want to trust and get on another one because there's no other way of pressing that button. So if you don't get on the right one, you might be going down. And then here it shows you that it's going to 5. That's it. That's the only place it's going to. Unless between now and then somebody else presses it and it sends them the same way, then it'll stop on that floor.
This was a very short, very sweet video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, because it might help you or a family member on the next cruise. If you like these videos, make sure you check out this one right here. See you on the seas.